Hi everyone, this is Cindy from Jevons Property Management. We are here at 605 North 6th Street in Yakima. This is a 5-bedroom home with 3 bathrooms. Excuse the sun, it's a little bright out here. Once again, this is 605 North 6th Street. A 5-bedroom home with 3 bathrooms. Have hardwood floors here. AC unit. This is one of the bedrooms. Closet. Go down the hall. To our right, it's another bedroom. Still, we have hardwood floors. It's right here, it's a small closet. We'll open it for you. Get some light. This is still part of the second bedroom. Hardwood. We'll proceed to the kitchen. These are some stairs that lead you up to the second floor. We'll go there here in a bit. Show you a little bit of the kitchen. It's quite big. We have our dishwasher. Down there is the laundry room. The washer and dryer are included. We do furnish that. First, let's go into the first bathroom. Little pantry. Shower. Like I said, washer and dryer are included. And here's another set of stairs that lead you to the second floor. Go ahead and walk up. This is another bedroom. We do have an AC unit up here. There are actually 2, one at this end, one at the other end, which you'll see shortly. second bathroom. And in the second bathroom, we do have a closet. I will go ahead and open the closet so you can see how big it is. And this door over here is another closet. I'll open that one too. Now, I don't know if you remember the other set of stairs, but they're actually leading up here where they are. We won't go down there right now. We'll continue on further into the house. There's some steps. Here's another bathroom. This one only has a shower, does not have a bathtub. Now upstairs you do have a sink that can be used as a kitchen. I'm sure you can set up your coffee machine early morning. It's really convenient. More cabinets. Straight down is another bedroom. There's 4 heaters and still that nice hardwood floor. No carpets except for the stairway. There's a closet. All these closets are very useful. This could be used as a family room. Really, it's up to you what you want to use it. It is an open area. You have another AC down here. And then there's the last bedroom. And this one also has a closet. Now I want to show you a little bit of the outside. For that, we'll go down the other set of stairs that I talked to you about earlier. You can see the only place that we do have carpet in this home is the stairway. Other than that, every floor has hardwood floors. And here's the kitchen again. Now, these stairs, you can close them. Sorry. Just like that. And they're closed. We'll go ahead and go through the back door so I can show you more of the outside. This is the house. Now, if you have any questions, you can always visit our website at www.jevonsproperties.com or just call our phone number at 4477. Para más información, puede visitar nuestra página www.jevonsproperties.com o puede llamar al 509-314-4477. Esta casa es de 5 cuartos, 3 baños. There you go, folks. Now, if you are interested, there is our phone number, which is on this video. Thank you so much.